Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites fast. Your device must support Face ID and run the latest OS. Once done, open Settings. Tap Notes, then Password, and enable Face ID for Notes so the system can authenticate. Make sure you've set a Notes password as a fallback. Now return to the Notes app and either create a new note or open the one you want to lock. You're ready to attach a lock. Proceed to lock this note, now so Face ID can be linked to that specific entry. Now lock the note. Tap the three-dot menu or share icon and choose Lock. When prompted, authenticate with Face ID. Hold the device naturally, look at the camera, and wait for the checkmark. If Face ID doesn't recognize you, enter the note's password and then re-enable Face ID later. Once locked, confirm the padlock icon appears next to the note title. Close the note, reopen it, and you'll be asked to authenticate again. This verifies Face ID is actively protecting that note and functioning as intended. Finish by reviewing management options in Settings Notes Password. You can change the fallback password or reset locked notes. Make sure you understand that Face ID is convenience. Your password is the fail-safe, so pick a strong one and store it. If Face ID stops working on locked notes, try toggling Face ID for notes off and on, or reset Face ID via Settings Face ID and Passcode. Reboot the device if needed. If all else fails, use the note's password to regain access immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.